In this video, I'll show you how to use Wise with Apple Pay. Step 1. Open the Wise app. Launch the Wise app on your iPhone and tap the Cards tab at the bottom. Step 2. Choose your Wise card. Swipe through your Wise cards and select the one you want to add to Apple Pay. Step 3. Tap Add to Apple Wallet. Tap the Add to Apple Wallet button. This will open the Apple Wallet app. Step 4. Follow the on-screen verification. Complete any verification steps such as receiving an SMS code or approval via the Wise app. Step 5. You can now start using your Wise card with Apple Pay. Your Wise card is now added to Apple Pay. Use your iPhone or Apple Watch for contactless payments. Now I have some tips for using Apple Pay with Wise. Enable Face ID, Touch ID or passcode for quick and secure payments. You can monitor transactions regularly in both Wise and in the Apple Wallet apps. You can withdraw cash at compatible ATMs that support contactless payments. And that is how you add your Wise card to Apple Pay. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.